Welcome to Mama's Mouth Kitchen. Today we are gonna make plain biryani recipe. Heat ghee or oil 2 tablespoons in a cooker and stir anise 2. Add cloves 3. Add mace 1. Add cardamom 2. Add cinnamon 2 small stick. Add bay leaf 1. Add thinly sliced onion 2. Fry until it turns slightly brown. Add ginger garlic green chili paste 1 teaspoon. Add tomatoes 2. Cook until it is mushy. When the tomatoes are mushy, add salt as needed. Add chili powder 1 tablespoon. Add coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Add garam masala powder half teaspoon. Add turmeric powder half teaspoon. Mix it well. Fry until oil leaves out. Add curd, quarter cup. Stir for a minute. Add basmati rice 1 cup. Mix the rice in masala. Add 2 cups of water. Check the salt by tasting the water before closing. Close the cooker and cook for 1 whistle. Allow the pressure to release by itself and open the lid. Give it a stir lightly. Serve with raita or biryani brinjal curry. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share it with your family and your friends.